If you're watching this video about custody and access to children, you may be surprised to learn that as of March 1st, 2021, changes to the Divorce Act and the Family Law Act in New Brunswick no longer use terms of custody and access when it comes to the child care arrangements for minor dependent children. Instead, both the Divorce Act and the Family Law Act now talk about the court's authority to make parenting orders, which can include parenting decision-making as well as parenting time or care arrangements for the child or the children. Prior to these legislative changes, the concept of legal custody in New Brunswick was the decision-making authority over children. Access was the concept of residency or care of the children, such that any actual combination of legal decision-making authority and residency could be encapsulated under the terms of custody and access. Oftentimes parents use the term joint custody, meaning equal parenting time rather than equal decision-making authority. Conversely, some parents wish to have equal decision-making authority even in circumstances where a child or children might be primarily resident with only one of the parents. These kinds of arrangements can certainly be encompassed on parenting orders, including parenting decision-making and parenting time. Under both the Divorce Act and Family Law Act, parenting orders, including parenting decision-making, can delineate what types of decisions each or both parents will be entitled to make for the well-being of their children. Parenting time will define what the residency schedule will be of the child or children between the two households. Interestingly, both the Divorce Act and the Family Law Act now permit the court to also make contact orders, which allow the court to give rights of contact with the children to such persons as grandparents and other significant persons in the lives of the child or the children. It is hoped by changing terminology that a more child-focused perspective can be brought to decision-making and care arrangements for children rather than the rights-based approach that seems to inform persons when terms such as custody and access were utilized.